Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. A cracked screen is a common issue that many users face, and it often occurs due to accidental drops or pressure applied to the screen. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage, compromising the display and even the internal components of your Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5. To avoid these complications, it's essential to tackle the issue as soon as you notice it. For this repair, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement screen compatible with your Ideapad Flex 5. Now, let's walk through the repair process step by step. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover of your laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, being cautious not to damage any clips. Next, locate the cracked screen component. It is usually secured by additional screws around the edges. Remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver and, if necessary, gently disconnect any cables attached to the screen. Be careful during this process, as the cables can be delicate. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, once the old screen is fully detached, take the replacement screen and align it properly. Connect any cables securely and reattach the screws to hold the screen in place. Finally, before sealing up your device, power it on to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, carefully place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any future issues. To prevent a cracked screen from happening again, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Being mindful of how you handle your device can also make a significant difference in its longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.